Hi Ed, this is Tracy, and I am here for the Oreo feedback module. So first off, thanks for your presentation. Just to talk about your presentation, your slides, they were very prepared, and I enjoyed the learning objectives that you started out with from the very get-go. I hadn't thought about that until I think this module, and so that was really helpful, just kind of getting everyone on the same page of what is about to happen. Kind of knowing where we're going is a good thing to do in presentations. I could tell that you were very prepared for your presentation because you have the background knowledge as you were sharing and the understanding of the topics. So it was nice to hear just your confidence as you spoke and presented. For my learning, I appreciated how you mentioned that assessments can get confusing with evaluations. That was one of your bullet points, and I don't think I mentioned that in my presentation at all, and I think it's good just to say from the very beginning so people know that that can be a misconception or just a confusion. And so we're helping them understand the difference and the similarities between those two. You mentioned integrating well-being with lessons, like when you taught the science method, you talked about how they might apply this with solving problems in their life. And so just a good connection for the students to see. It doesn't have to be separate lessons for well-being, but you can integrate that. So that was awesome for you to share. And then video feedback, you have a very good voice for teaching and just presentations. And so it was really fun to listen. And I bet your students always are entertained. So thanks for your presentation today. And again, this is just important for us to practice sharing our constructive feedback with one another and helping one another grow as educators, especially because we are virtual right now. So yeah, thanks so much.